With this update, we are excited to announce we're adding one of our most highly requested features, customizable keyboard shortcuts. For commands with keyboard shortcuts already assigned, you can now customize those keyboard shortcuts by browsing to your account settings, under Preferences, and you'll see a new option for keyboard shortcuts. To customize a keyboard shortcut, simply find the keyboard shortcut, hover over it, and you'll see a pencil icon to edit. Click Edit, type in the new key combination, and hit the green check. Note, keyboard shortcuts can also be disabled here by checking the box to disable. And that's it. Your new keyboard shortcut is assigned and usable wherever you sign in, on any device, anywhere.